Can acrylic paint be used on outdoor surfaces?
Acrylic paint is a popular medium used by artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. One common question that people often ask is whether acrylic paint can be used on outdoor surfaces. In this video, we'll explore this question and provide you with the information you need to know.
What is acrylic paint?
Acrylic paint is a water-based paint that is made from acrylic polymer emulsion. It is a fast-drying paint that can be used on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, paper, wood, and more. It comes in a wide range of colors and can be used to create a variety of effects, including opaque and transparent finishes.
The short answer.
The short answer is yes, acrylic paint can be used on outdoor surfaces. However, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind to ensure that the paint will last and look good for as long as possible.
Factors to consider.
When using acrylic paint on outdoor surfaces, there are several factors that you need to consider. These include: surface type. Acrylic paint can be used on a variety of surfaces, including wood, concrete, and metal. However, you need to make sure that the surface is clean, dry, and free from any loose or peeling paint before you start painting. Weather conditions. Acrylic paint can withstand a certain amount of exposure to the elements, but it is not completely weatherproof. If you live in an area that experiences extreme temperatures, high humidity, or frequent rain, you may need to take extra precautions to protect your painted surface. UV exposure. Acrylic paint can fade over time when exposed to UV rays from the sun. If you are painting an outdoor surface that will be exposed to direct sunlight, you may need to choose a paint that has UV protection or apply a clear coat with UV protection over the top of your paint.
Preparing the surface.
Before you start painting an outdoor surface with acrylic paint, you need to prepare the surface properly. This includes cleaning the surface, removing any loose or peeling paint, and sanding the surface to create a smooth and even texture.
Applying the paint.
When applying acrylic paint to an outdoor surface, it is important to use a high-quality paintbrush or roller. You should also apply the paint in thin, even layers, and allow each layer to dry completely before applying the next.
Protecting the painted surface.
To ensure that your painted surface lasts as long as possible, you may need to protect it with a clear coat or sealant. This will help to protect the paint from UV exposure, moisture, and other elements that can cause it to fade or peel over time. In conclusion, acrylic paint can be used on outdoor surfaces, but there are several factors that you need to consider to ensure that the paint will last and look good for as long as possible. By preparing the surface properly, using high-quality materials, and taking the necessary precautions to protect your painted surface, you can create beautiful and long-lasting outdoor art and decor.